Hi, welcome. My name is Shane Goettlicher and I'm the pastry chef at the International Trade Center at the Ronald Reagan Building. And today we're gonna make a sample of something that we can do at home. What we'll be doing today is making banana split kabobs. And we're gonna just need a few basic ingredients. One of them is skewers, and these are bamboo skewers. They're 10-inch, but you could use anything that you have in the house. It could even be your skewers you use to roast s'mores. Strawberries, a pineapple, banana. I'm gonna use a little bit of nuts. Obviously that's very optional because people with nut allergies would not do that, but anything in the house that would work, anything that you'd like to sprinkle over your kebab. And a little bit of shredded coconut and some chocolate to drizzle over the top of it. And I'm just gonna demonstrate how to put this together, how to clean your fruit, and we'll get started right now. First of all, I've already cleaned the strawberries, and I'm gonna clean this pineapple, and I'm gonna take about a quarter off of the stem and use this as a prop. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this right here, and then I'm gonna clean the rest of this. And what we want is about inch-size cubes. I'm gonna take the outside off, and then I'm gonna split it in 4, and then I'm gonna take the core out. Now the idea is I'm gonna cut these into about an inch-size cube. So I'm just gonna eye this. Maybe each one of these to get cut 4 to 8 portions. I'm gonna put those right there. Excellent, excellent. And this looks like a real nice pineapple too. Very ripe. All right, next we'll clean a few bananas. I'm gonna leave a few here just for a prop. And I'm gonna take these bananas and take the peel off. Here we go. And I'm gonna cut these into about the same size cubes that I had before. So I'm gonna, same size as those pineapples. Next, what we'll do is we'll assemble our skewers. So I'm gonna put this right in front of them so everybody can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna start with a pineapple and going through the sharp end, being very careful. Gonna go about 3/4. A strawberry, a banana, and then I'm gonna repeat the process again. A pineapple, a strawberry, a banana, and then I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna make 6 of these. As you can see, this isn't real difficult. Even your kids could do this. Now I'm making big ones, but you can definitely make this in a smaller version. After you're finished, you can serve these with ice cream or some whipped cream or chocolate sauce, anything that would be something that you enjoy yourself. This doesn't have to be just like this. So these are our 6 skewers. And now we're gonna decorate them. I'm gonna lay them out. I have just a half sheet pan with a little parchment paper. And what I've done is I've melted some chocolate in a double boiler, just some chocolate chips or some semi-sweet chocolate. This happens to be semi-sweet, but just your regular chocolate chips would be fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drizzle these with some chocolate. I'm gonna be real heavy on this. There we go. And then before this chocolate sets, I'm gonna put on my toppings. So I'm gonna put some peanuts that I rough chop so they're a little bit smaller. And then I've got some coconut too. That I think gives it color, and I love coconut. There we go. And then I'm gonna present it, because I kept the top of that. And I'm just gonna poke holes as a server to as you can see, that was pretty simple. That didn't take too long, not that big of a mess. We kept our mess and we got a nice product to finish off with. This would be a great summer dessert that you make with your family, have around the house. You can see you put this in the middle of the table and everybody's just gonna say, wow, this is called a banana split kebab, and enjoy.